Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. Today we're making a very basic yet awesome potato soup. This recipe is so easy and it's very creamy, perfect for a rainy day, just like we're having here in Florida, a hurricane. So why not make some delicious potato soup? If you want to see it, keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get started. To get started, we're going to start by cooking up our bacon. And yes, guys, I have a new setup. I'm still working on it. If you have any suggestion for me, leave it down below because I greatly appreciated every comment, every suggestion. But this is my new setup that I am working on. It's not perfect yet, still working on it. So yeah, bear with me. Once my bacon is done, I am going to set aside the oil from the bacon. I decided to discard the oil. I'm starting fresh with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now, once my butter is nice and melted, I am going in with my onion. I'm using yellow onion. Once my onions is nice and translucent, I am going in with flour. Okay, I am using 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Just add that in there. Now we're going to cook the flour for about 2 minutes because you want to remove the raw flour taste. So just cook that for about 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute will do. And then we're going to end with 1.5 cup of whole milk. Okay, just pour that in there. Once you're done adding your milk, I am going in with about 16 ounces of chicken broth. Just pour that in there. Then I am going to add my potatoes. My potatoes are nice and small, and I'm using russet potatoes, by the way. I use 1.5 potatoes, pretty small, not big, okay? This is a 2-person meal. Then we're going to season it with garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. And also don't forget to add your salt in. Once you're done adding your seasoning in there, just give it a stir. And then we're going to let that simmer until your potatoes are nice and tender. Okay, cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. It should be ready on medium low. Okay. Now my potatoes are nice and tender. You don't want it to overcook the potatoes, otherwise it's not gonna look like a potato soup. Okay, I want the potato bits in there, so don't overcook it to a point where you can't even tell if there's potatoes in there. Now I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Then I am going to add, I'll say 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese in there. Just mix it all up together until everything is well combined. Then I am going to add my bacon. Don't add all the bacon yet, just save the rest because we need it to garnish the soup at the end. We're going to cover it again, let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then you should have your soup ready before you know it. And guys, I'm asking you, if you have not subscribed by now, please hit the subscribe button so you can see all my delicious recipes. Over here, I just added some more ground black pepper because I needed some kick. Okay, I need more flavor of the ground black pepper. So then I am going to cover it and let it do its final cooking. Okay, then you should be ready. It should be ready. It should be nice and creamy and thick. Not too thick, okay? But it should be definitely creamy. And this is it right here, basically. I am going to just add my little cheese on there with the bacon bits, with some green onion to garnish it. Then boom, you have yourself the most delicious potato soup made at home, homemade. This is the real deal right here, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking for more recipes, okay? More delicious recipes. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys soon on my next video, okay? Bye.